Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Chat. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jason. Thanks for joining us today. We're so happy you're here.
Today, we're going to talk about your weekend plans. It's one of the most common topics in English conversation. People love to ask, "What are you doing this weekend?"
That's right. It's small talk, friendly, easy conversation you can use with coworkers, friends, or classmates.
So grab your coffee, relax, and let's practice together. Oh, and if you're learning with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode. It really helps us out.
All right, ready to talk about your weekend plans? Let's get started.
Let's start with a simple question. What are you doing this weekend?
You can also say, do you have any plans for the weekend? Let's repeat that. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Good. Now listen to this short example. Hey, Anna, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm going hiking with my friends.
Nice. So the pattern is I'm verb plus ing plus activity. Like, I'm cooking dinner or I'm watching a movie.
Let's practice with a few more examples. I'm visiting my parents. I'm going to the beach. I'm staying home and relaxing.
That last one's my favorite. Staying home and relaxing. You can also say, I'm just taking it easy.
Good phrase. Take it easy means relax. Repeat after us. I'm taking it easy.
Great, you're doing really well. Remember, it's okay to speak slowly. It's not a race.
Let's do a little listen and repeat together. Ready? I'm going hiking. I'm meeting my friends. I'm watching a movie. I'm taking it easy. I'm cleaning my room.
Excellent! Nice job, everyone.
Now let's add details to make your English sound more natural. You can say when and with whom you'll do something. Example, I'm going to the park with my family on Saturday.
Let's break that down. What? Going to the park. With whom? With my family. When? On Saturday.
Try this. I'm watching a movie with my best friend on Sunday.
Or I'm cooking dinner with my mom on Friday night.
Great. Now let's do a little dialogue practice. Hi, Anna. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents.
That sounds nice. Where do they live?
They live in the countryside.
Wow, that's relaxing.
Good job! This kind of small talk is very natural in English. If someone asks you about your plans and you don't have any, you can say, "Not really. I don't have plans yet. I'm not sure."
Yes, or you can say something like, maybe I'll just rest. That means you're not sure, but you might stay home. Let's repeat. Maybe I'll just rest. I'm not sure yet. Not really. I'll see what happens.
Perfect. You're doing great. Really. Keep going.
Okay, let's listen to a longer conversation now.
We'll read it slowly first, then repeat it faster. Try to listen carefully and understand the meaning. Listen, slow version. Hey, Jason, what are you doing this weekend?
I think I'm going to the beach.
Oh, nice. Who are you going with?
I'm going with my cousin. We want to swim and relax.
That sounds fun. I'm just staying home. Maybe I'll watch a movie.
Cool. What movie are you watching?
I don't know yet. Maybe something funny.
Now let's listen again a little faster. This is how people really talk. Listen, natural speed. Hey Anna, what are you doing this weekend?
I think I'm going to the beach.
Oh, nice. Who are you going with?
I'm going with my cousin. We want to swim and relax.
That sounds fun. I'm just staying home. Maybe I'll watch a movie.
Cool. What movie are you watching?
I don't know yet. Maybe something funny.
How was that? Did you understand most of it? If not, don't worry. That's normal. You can listen again anytime.
Yes, and remember, repetition is the key to learning English. Every time you repeat, you get better.
Now it's your turn. We'll ask you a question. You answer out loud, okay? Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just try your best. Let's go.
What are you doing this weekend?
Nice. Now tell us, who are you going with?
Good job. Now add when. For example, on Saturday or on Sunday.
Perfect! You're improving already.
Let's try another one. Say, I'm going to the park with my friends on Sunday.
That's great. Try to use your own weekend plans. Make it real. What do you like to do?
Here are a few more fun weekend activities. Go shopping. Visit your grandparents. Play football. Watch a movie. Cook something new. Sleep in.
Let's say them together. Go shopping. Visit my grandparents. Play football. Watch a movie. Cook something new. Sleep in.
Sleep in means to wake up late. It's one of my favorites.
Mine too. Okay, great work today, everyone. You learned how to talk about your weekend plans in English.
Let's do a quick recap.
You can ask, what are you doing this weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
And you can answer with, I'm going hiking. I'm staying home and relaxing. I'm going to the park with my family.
And if you don't have plans, say, not really. I'm not sure yet.
Excellent work. Remember, every time you speak, you get better.
That's right. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and soon you'll sound natural and confident.
Before we go, here's our fun community question. What are you doing this weekend? Tell us in the comments or practice by saying it out loud.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend who's also learning English.
Have a great weekend and remember to take it easy.
Bye for now.